When you're cutting metal with your recip saw, only two things count: how long your blade will last and how fast it cuts. The Edge from Bosch gives you both. It's the longest lasting, fastest cutting recip blade for metal on the market. Bosch has included their powdered metal alloy technology, which means it has a higher heat resistance than standard bimetal blades for longer life. They've also microblasted the teeth, a precision grinding process that keeps the cutting edge sharper longer. Bosch also increased the height and thickness of the blade and developed a patented 2x2 tooth geometry. It all adds up to faster, straighter cuts with less vibration. Remember, better accessories mean better results. For longer life and faster cuts in metal, choose the Edge from Bosch.